Royal Navy sailors pulled a carriage carrying Queen Elizabeth's coffin to Westminster Abbey for her funeral. The same carriage was used for the Queen's father, King George VI. Right behind it was King Charles III and other members of the royal family marching to the service where they would say their final goodbyes. The royal family and more than 2,000 guests filled the centuries-old church to honor the late Queen, who served the monarch for an unprecedented 70 years, dying at the age of 96.
The grief of this day, felt not only by the late Queen's family, but all round the nation, the Commonwealth and the world, arises from her abundant life and loving service.
Queen Elizabeth planned her funeral down to the smallest detail. Her coffin adorned with the royal crown and orb, symbols of the monarchy's power, and a scepter used in coronation since 1661. The service ended with 2 minutes of silence across the nation and the national anthem, God Save the King. Generations of the royal family looked on as the Queen's coffin was placed in the hearse that carried her to her final resting place. Bagpipes played for more than an hour as the funeral procession passed through the historic heart of London, where people lined the streets to say their final goodbyes.
Very privileged and honored to be here, to be part of this. I have English heritage, so this really meant a lot.
We travelled down this morning from Yorkshire, which is a couple of hours on train, and then we've run through Hyde Park to get here, so we thought we wouldn't be able to see anything, so it was just nice to see a car pass by.
That's a big moment in history, isn't it? I tell my kids about it when I'm older, so yeah.
And then a final intimate service for the Queen at St. George's Chapel before her body was lowered into the tomb, where she will be laid to rest next to her late husband, Prince Philip.